What is your name?
My name is Hannah.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I am fine. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
How old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee very much.
How many apples are there?
There are 3 apples.
Is it hot today?
Yes, it's very hot today.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What color is your car?
My car is red.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to listen to music.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I work as a teacher.
Can you play the guitar?
No, I can't play the guitar.
Where did you go yesterday?
Yesterday, I went to the park.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs and toast.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be an astronaut.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing football.
What did you do last weekend?
I went to the beach.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
It's on Main Street next to the bank.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling a bit tired today.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Can you help me?
Yes, what do you need?
Where did you learn English?
I learned English at school.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I am going to visit my family.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking very much.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like pop music.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, I have a laptop.
What color are your eyes?
My eyes are brown.
Do you like to dance?
No, I don't like dancing.
What's the last movie you saw?
The last movie I saw was The Incredibles 2.
What's something you're really good at?
I'm really good at solving puzzles.
What's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
I love to read a book or watch movies on rainy days.
Do you like to learn new things?
Yes, I'm always curious and love learning.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
My favorite app is Spotify for listening to music.
Shall we catch up again next week?
Yes, let's do that.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.